दुनिया सामने ट्रम्प जेलेन्स्की कली। तीन वर्ष है चलुवा रूस यूक्रेन युद्धर अंत घटाइबा ट्रम्प चाहिए। सूचनायोग्य जेलेन्स्की खनिज संपर्कित एक डील स्वाक्षर व्हाइट हाउस रे पहुंची किंतु सेठारे ट्रम्प और अमेरिकार उपराष्ट्रपति जेडी भ्यान्स को द्वारा अपमानित होई डील स्वाक्षर नकरी फेरी जाइतिले। व्हाइट हाउस रे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करिबा समय रे ट्रम्प और जेलेन्स्की को मध्य कथा कटाकटी देखा मिलता। ट्रम्प अमेरिकार दीर्घ दिनर शत्रु रूस को समर्थन करी यूक्रेन को कटाक्ष करथिले। युद्धर अंत पई यूक्रेन रूस रो सबु कथा को मानि नेबाकू ट्रम्प कहिथिले किंतु जेलेन्स्की एही कथा को मानिबाकू मना करि दैथिले। ट्रम्प कहिथिले कि रूस यूक्रेन युद्धर खलनायक हैला यूक्रेन। यह देखि जेडी भ्यान्स कहिथिले कि बाइडेन सरकार और यूक्रेन केबे रूस सहित आपस समाधान करने को चेष्टा करिनथिला और जेलेन्स्की शांतिर रास्ता आपणाइबाकू चाहूनाहांती। यह पर जेलेन्स्की बुझाइथिले कि यूक्रेन शांतिर रास्ता आपणाइबाकू चाहूची किंतु रूस यह चाहूनी। रूस और यूक्रेन मध्य युद्ध विरोधी पई बुझामणा हेबा परे मध्य रूस आक्रमण जारी रखिथिला और पुतिन केबे भी आपस समाधान पई राजी नुहंती बोली जेलेन्स्की कहिथिले।
During 2014 till 2022, the situation the same. That people have been dying on the contact line. Nobody stopped him. You know that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversation, my bilateral conversation, and we signed with him, me, like a new president. In 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel, we signed ceasefire. But after that, he broken this ceasefire. He killed our people. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about?
जेलेन्स्की को शब्द शुणी भ्यान्स उत्क्षिप्त हो जाइथिले ओ कथा को एड़ाई देइथिले।
I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the president for trying to bring it into this conflict. And do you think that it's respectful to come to the Oval Office of the United States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
यह पर जेलेन्स्की कहिथिले कि यूक्रेन भली अमेरिकार सीमा मध्य रूस संगरे समुद्र द्वारा लागिछि। हुए तो एबे अमेरिका उपर विपद नाही किंतु भविष्यत रे रूस अमेरिका पई जटिल परिस्थिति सृष्टि करिपारे। यह सुनी ट्रम्प रागी जाई गणमाध्यम सामने जेलेन्स्की को कड़ा समालोचना करथिले। ट्रम्प कहिथिले कि आपण आमको आम परिस्थिति विषय रे कहिबाकू केही नुहंती, आमे आम परिस्थितिर सामना निजे करि परिबु। ओ एहा परे ट्रम्प पुतिन को सहानुभूति देखाइथिले ओ पुतिन को विरोध रे मिथ्या प्रचार हेउची बोली कहिथिले।
During the war, everybody has problems, even you. But you have nice ocean, and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless. You will not have a war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because you're in no position to dictate that.
That's exactly what you're doing.
You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having
not
cards.
playing cards.
Right now, you don't
We're
have to play
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're gambling
I'm the
with the
president
lives
in
of
war.
millions of people.
Yes,
You're
yes,
gambling with
but it's
World
gamble.
War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country.
एही समय रे अमेरिकार गणमाध्यम जेलेन्स्की को पोशाक उपर मध्य प्रश्न करथिले। पर जेलेन्स्की डील स्वाक्षर नकरी व्हाइट हाउस रु विदाय नेइथिले। एहा पर जेलेन्स्की अन्य एक न्यूज चैनल रे कहिथिले कि यूक्रेन रूसिया आगरे केबे भी आत्मसमर्पण करिवो नाही।
It will be difficult for us. That's why I'm here. That's why we speak about the future negotiations. It will be difficult without your support, but we can't lose.
एही विवादीय प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पर यूरोप, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कनाडा, न्यूजीलैंड भली अनेक देश यूक्रेन रा समर्थन रे बाहरी छंती ओ अमेरिकार नागरिक माने ट्रम्प को विरोध करिबा आरंभ करिसंती।
The President of the United States is a coward who is Vladimir Putin's puppet. And so what we just witnessed was a meeting in the Oval Office between two cowardly puppets and a hero.
President Zelensky could have handled it differently, the way that some of his European counterparts and Emmanuel Macron and Keir Starmer did, and perhaps been more deferential to Trump and Vance.
ହେଲେ ଟ୍ରମ୍ପ ଆମେରିକାର ଦୀର୍ଘଦିନର ଶତ୍ରୁ ପୁତିନକୁ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ସମର୍ଥନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ଏହା ଉପରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପାଇଁ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ ଓ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ ଓ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।